Hello, my name is Adofina, and here is our team's project presentation. So, the project was a Rate My Professor app. Here is the team. We have me, Noah, Zed, Claire, and Afa. Our project was to create a RAG app to quickly search professor database with AI. So these were some of our must-haves. We needed it to be easy to use, to generate accurate information, to handle many users, and function efficiently. So this is a demo of the project. As you could see, it's structured at instance. We told it, I want to know who is the single best math teacher, and it returned a chat with the top 3 math teachers. You can see the first one is in mathematics, 4 stars. So future improvements we would have liked to add would be a more robust use, allowing searching and filtering from different universities, and adding an account functionality to allow users to save their search for professor. Thank you. There is the GitHub link to the. Thank you for watching.